Hello everyone, I welcome you to Unit 5 which talks about the computer networks. But before we go on, let's recall on what we have done so far. So remember we talked about the computer fundamentals, on the parts of the computers, the memory of the computer, how the computer stores information, and we talked about the softwares as well as hardwares. So now today we want to look at something different in which someone might wonder, as being connected on Facebook, being connected on Instagram, how does that happen? I'm sure everyone today wants to have a phone, and that phone is to be connected on internet. So, to start with, what is network? What is a network? So, in my own understanding, I define a network as a set of devices which are referred to as nodes connected by a certain technological link. In general, we refer to these networks as computer network because we are simply talking about computers here. Therefore, a computer network is simply a setup that joins two or more computers together so they can exchange data. So the only thing here is exchanging information and data. These computers can be linked using various data communication methods such as copper wires, optical fibers, communication satellites, or radio links. What are we talking about here? We are simply talking about how these networks are connected, or how we are able to be connected to the network. Therefore, a computer networking allows users to communicate with one another and gives them access to information. Then we have the uses of computer networks. Computer networks are used for resource sharing. We can take, for instance, in a company, you'll find that not everyone needs access to resources like printers, fax machines, and scanners all the time. Information sharing. Networking enables seamless sharing of information and resources among computers and devices. This is particularly important in the era of digital information, where data is valuable asset for individuals, organizations, and businesses. Computer networks are also used for communication. You bought that phone to be connected on Facebook, to be connected on Instagram. So, computer networks are used for communication. Networking enables communication among computers and devices through various means, such as emails, instant messaging, video conferencing, and voice over IP calls. So it depends in the environment where that network is. So in a formal environment, it can be used for emails, or other instant messaging, or simply video conferencing. In an informal environment, you just use for communication, chatting with friends, chatting with colleagues. Computer networks are also used for internet access. Networking provides access to the internet, which is a vast global network of interconnected networks. There are some people who are friends outside Zambia, but you are able to access their profiles or anything else you would want on the internet. It can also be used for career opportunities. Networking skills are highly sought after in the IT and computer science fields. That's why you find that if they catch this thief, which is well skilled with computers or networks, it's very difficult to arrest that. It's very difficult to imprison that person, but rather they will tend to employ that person. Why? Because he's skilled with the computers. But I'm not telling you to say start stealing using computers. Computer networks can also be used for system administration. Networking is a crucial aspect of system administration, which involves managing and maintaining computer systems and networks.